First, head over to StockX.com or open the StockX app on your device. Browse for the sneakers or streetwear you've been eyeing, just like you normally would. Once you've found the item you want, click the Buy Now button to proceed with your purchase. This will take you to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you'll see various payment options. Look for the Klarna option €. It's usually presented alongside credit card and PayPal options. Select Klarna as your payment method. A window or pop-up will appear, providing details about how Klarna works, including the different installment plans available. You'll then be securely redirected to Klarna's website or app to finalize your payment. If you're a new Klarna user, you'll need to complete a quick setup process. Here, you can choose the payment plan that best suits your budget, whether it's a pay-in for interest-free installment plan or another option Klarna offers. Once you confirm your payment plan with Klarna, you'll be redirected back to StockX, where you'll see a confirmation of your order. Congratulations, you've just used Klarna on StockX. Now, you can enjoy your new kicks or apparel while spreading out your payments. It's a convenient way to manage your budget and stay on top of the latest drops.